It been a long ride.
I don't even know what to say. But what's good to JuVii? Back with another unboxing video.
Hating on this
bro. And y'all probably already see by the title. Spoiler alert. Title be spoiling it, but
yeah,
gotta put the title to get y'all to get here. But damn, we just got off the reaction channel.
Yeah. So go tap in. What the fuck? Bro.
Speaking of the reaction channel, go tap in, bro. We on there every day, bro.
Pretty much.
100 and some videos already.
Damn. We just got back.
Go tap in, bro. Right now, stop. But last unboxing video was the P90. Ain't gonna lie. I fuck with it a lot. It's probably my favorite one so far. This motherfucker just like, I don't know, it's just different, bro. It's like bro, you coming with this motherfucker, you doing this.
Bro, I'm scared to come outside now. What the fuck?
Man. Shit, my bad. But
you gonna hit subscribe, man.
Bro, I feel with the P90 so too, bro. I don't know why. But that's not what we unboxing today. Yeah. So we got this little box right here. Shorter than this, littler than it's supposed to be again. But you know, for the dimension size sake of the gel blasters, they be but I've yet to dang near bought a heavy hitter yet, so we don't see this. It's the minigun, right? Damn, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I ordered this shit a long time ago.
All right, and I've been waiting this whole time to see this.
I ordered this motherfucker long. It's the minigun, I believe. I don't even remember.
Slide on the ice with the minigun. Crazy. That motherfucker just come in a big box.
On what?
Real deal, motherfucker.
Shit. Real deal minigun, yeah.
That motherfucker better spit too.
This motherfucker is going. Why don't we get the running?
But that motherfucker got a spit, bro.
Oh, get that, bro.
Damn. That motherfucker already little? That's kind of thick. Well, it might be a little back and like. Where is it? I guess that's what we're here to find out, right?
Bro, what?
That motherfucker actually decent ass size.
This whole color though?
The other one looked like it was little as hell. Yeah. Oh, the iPhone.
Oh.
The iPhone on the blood.
Minigun on a nigga is crazy. Bro, look. Ooh, shit, my fault. Imagine. Am I holding this wrong, bro? Say, bet that shit be changed, Stevie. Girl, Boston, if your top different. Every time I turn around, they say I'm missing. Wanna know why? Niggas dying, niggas keep dissing. But I ain't into that. I steady wrapping up them chickens. I wanna hit the booth, but I'm stuck up in the trenches. What's good, y'all? Niggas feeling good. Got the new hairstyle for the first time on the main channel. Y'all ain't seen it, nigga. Finna change my name to Privileged Redhead. Bro. But dang.
I'm finna hit the stove.
This is yours, gang.
Who's mine? Oh shit.
But
I'm finna spin the ops right now.
hey, I'm gonna put a hoodie on. I ordered off Amazon. I really ain't never told y'all none of the prices of this stuff. And I really dang near can't. Cause it's in my phone. I record on my phone. But what was the price? What's the price of the minigun?
I ain't even gonna lie, I don't know. It was a couple different, so I gotta look right now.
Yeah, let's see. You can run around Basel. All type different.
Say, wanna know why niggas keep dying?
Niggas keep dissing. But I finally got the minigun assembled and ready to shoot. I got
This one only 27. It's the blue one. That the one you had? Low key.
I think it low key.
That one was 27. This one.
It bro, the price
camo
of
shit
ranges,
is
bro.
45. That one 45. So shit, they like $20 to $50.
Right. Basically, but the prices be ranging depending on a lot of stuff. Mine's probably like $30 or $50. I don't even remember. But I see I got my op dropper bow. This my ammunition bow. But yeah, bro, this one really good line, bro. But what was I saying? Yeah, I finally got the minigun assembled all the way from the last part. I had to push this in. It was like a box thing on her. I had to unscrew to get to the battery part. Put the battery in. Put the mag. This were all the Orbeez be sitting there. I had to put this on her. I was really basically, it was some simple shit, you know. And I already shot it. Bro. You already know. Most of the time when I come back and got the gun already working for y'all, I didn't spend a couple blocks with it already. I already shot at the ops with it. And quite frankly, I ain't gonna lie, I like it. The minigun, actually, it didn't really disappoint. Like, it really be spitting, like it really be spitting. Oh, what? You think that motherfucker be spitting?
Yeah, I popped out what that motherfucker too. That motherfucker. I'm a different breed, boy. I was out the window with that big motherfucker.
Yeah, you was out the window with this motherfucker. Yeah, I was out the window.
You hopped out on feet, though.
Oh, bro, we opened the trunk.
What?
Bring that big motherfucker out, bro.
No,
so, like, what's the name? Oh, shit. But,
wow.
miniguns ain't a disappointment. I would recommend y'all actually get a mini. You starting your little gel blaster collection, get a minigun. So they know you're not playing. But I loaded it. It got a I don't know if y'all can see right here, it got an off and on button. That's the safety. That's when it's off. Then click it. That's when it's on. Then you just press this, hold this button to shoot, and it's gonna spit. Like that's really it to it. What else? But I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this thing for y'all. It really be spitting, bro. Like mad. Like I'm trying to like have a gun and the camera at the same time and shit. The camera. Hey, bro, what's the damage test, bro?
That motherfucker was just spitting. Hold on.
That mug spit, bro.
I just had motherfucking jail fragments on my shit.
This mother be spitting, bro. This mother really be spitting. I ain't gonna lie. I shot it in my phone. My bad, y'all. Y'all think it my spit. What you say about my mama?
What the about? Dude,
Nigga.
Hey.
Shake out, nigga.
Dumb.
Dog.
Stupid.
Damn, I'm getting all in my bed. Look how, bro. Look how she red, bro. Shit crazy.
It was.
Come on, bro. Damage test, bro. Go all out, bro.
Oh, you?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, you don't want to get hit with this, bro.
I was a supporter, bro.
I gotta subscribe, bro.
In my life, I was playing. You really gonna do that shit, bro?
Bro, listen, I'm just
Niggas
here.
back door.
I'm just here
Back
for.
door.
I'm just here for the support, bro. If that's what you needed, bro. Bro.
Close that.
So was I not supposed to? So if he say,
Close that
bro,
back door.
damage test on me right now, do I not supposed to do
Not
it?
before, yeah. Back.
Only.
Nothing low. Nothing high.
What about your feet?
Oh, bro.
I'm just playing. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Wait. You really gonna do this?
What's up? Oh, you want the damage
Back
test
up a
or not?
little bit. Back up a little bit, at least. At least back up a little bit. If you ain't subscribed, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm over here risking my life. Hey! Hold up now.
Hold up. Wait.
Get this shit over with, man. Hold on, not too fast though. Alright, damn, man. Alright, let me
I feel. Wait on you.
Okay. Fuck! Hey, that's actually kind of hurt. Wait. Alright, your turn.
Wait.
It don't hurt. I can't.
No, you didn't cap. I know the percent.
It don't hurt.
You didn't need weight. We didn't agree to that.
What, bro?
You didn't agree to that.
We didn't agree to.
What did you own?
No, I didn't even shoot you, bro. Come
What
on,
did you
dude.
do, bro? Come on, man. Yeah, bro. Tell them about the rest of the video.
Folks.
But.
Come on.
Hey, bro. Bro. Listen.
This
is
motherfucker decent, I ain't gonna.
Oh, never mind. Tell them what the fuck. Tell somebody, bro.
But yeah, bro, real minigun shit going on. Slime with the ops every day. Get on and lay down. I see the Rika. I don't think y'all see it. It's called Ricochet, right? Who? Ricochet.
Yeah. Like when it. Yeah.
But we got a lot of content coming for y'all. Not gonna lie. I'm really gonna be the latest gun channel, however you wanna put it, cause I'm gonna be uploading all type of guns. So I'ma just overall it as a gun channel. So my Jailbox wars ain't gonna be like nobody else. My other creative videos I include with the gun. Right. Besides, you know, we could damn near do just to like mix it up, do shit different from other motherfuckers. Damn near how they be reading the skies on out somehow.
That's what we're talking about. But they want like, I mean, we can damn near pull it together, but like, they want like a G for like the first hour. So 15 for like the first hour and like a G after that. It's some crazy shit like that, and I looked it up.
But I got a lot of creative. I just know how it works. So I know I'm gonna have a lot of creative videos coming for y'all. Besides the unboxing, you know, right now I'm doing strictly unboxing just to get my artillery up, just to get the guns in motion and let y'all. So when I do have videos going on and shit, y'all gonna be like, oh, where that gun come from? Or woo. I got unboxings for that. all the info you want to know you need if you want to kill one, or if you need me to try it out for you, you know. So then, bro, them videos that sliding out, y'all gonna love them. I know y'all gonna love them. I feel like that's gonna bring another type of audience to my channel. I already got some clips and shit for, like, when I be in the unboxing video and I come part 2 of me shooting the gun and shit, and I be like, I slid on the ops already. I really did that. Like, footage and everything gonna be on the way. I know y'all gonna love that shit too. So I'm gonna just keep this shit going for y'all. Keep the videos in rotation.